So before you design any website, every website starts with two things. First, domain, and the second is hosting. You can think of domain as the address of your website. That is the name of your website. Then the hosting is where the website files lives. I mean, before you design any website, you must have to purchase your domain name and hosting. That is the unavoidable cost, all right, in designing any kind of website. So first thing we are going to do is to purchase our domain name and hosting. Right, so to buy your domain name and hosting, there are different places to buy your domain name and hosting, but of course, I would recommend you use weboraclehost.com, right? So all you have to do is just visit weboraclehost.com. As you can see it here, weboraclehost.com. I just type www.weboraclehost.com. You will land on this page, and all you have to do is just register. You can click on login and register here. All right. It will bring you to this page. Click on register. If you've already registered, you just log in. But if you've not, you just proceed to this place and register normally. Just fill in all these places, your first name, your last name, everything. Just make sure you fill everything correctly. You choose your currency, Naira or dollar currently supported, right? Then you just proceed on register. It's very simple to register. I'm not going to be registering because I already have an account. So what I'll be doing is just to log into my account, all right, and proceed to getting domain name and hosting from there. So let's just get that sorted immediately. I'm going to try to be fast so that I will not waste your time. Okay, so I'll just log in, click on login here, because I already have, like I said, I have an account, so there's no need to register again. So I'll just grab my info and log in. Just grab my info and log in. Okay, just give me some minutes. Let me just quickly log in, and we'll proceed from there immediately. I'm going to try to be fast. All right, so I'll just click on login here. Right, so this is me in my WebOracle host account. After registering, this is where it will bring you. If you log in, this is where it will bring you. This will be the page that it will show. As you can see, services 0, domain 0, everything 000. I've not bought anything here. I've not bought any domain. I've not bought any hosting, right? So what we are going to do now is to proceed to purchasing our domain name and hosting. So all I have to do is, once I'm here, once I'm in my WebOracle host account, you can just click on this hosting here, drop down, right? We have two types of hosting here, but for the purpose of this particular website we are building, standard hosting is fine. So I'll just click on standard, right? So just click on standard. You wait for it. There are different plans. You can see basic, premium, power. I'll just use basic, 3,499 Naira monthly. So I'll just click on order now. Then this is the part to choose our domain name. This is where we'll choose our domain name, right? This is where we'll choose our domain name. So let me just quickly check on the domain name provided by the client so that I would proceed immediately. Give me a few seconds. Okay, so I have the domain name. The domain name, which is the name of your website, is the client said sharpalitravels.com. As you can see, you will not add .com because there's .com drop down here for us already, right? So I'll just put Sharpali. Here you can choose which extension. There's .com, there's .net, there's .org, and there's .com.ng, but .com is just fine. I'll just leave it at .com. So the next thing you have to click is check. I'm registering a new domain. If you're not a newbie and you have a domain with another registrar, you can transfer it to this place, or you can use the existing domain. But we are not going to do all that. We'll just register a new domain, sharpalitravels.com. Just click on check. Buying your domain name and hosting is actually the simplest part of all this whole thing. This part is actually very simple, so we're just going to run over it very, very fast. So as you can see, sharpalitravels.com is available. Continue to register this domain for 24,999 Naira, yes, for 1 year. So I'll just click on continue. So when I click on continue, it lands on this page. As you can see, choose billing cycle is 1 month here, but I will not select 1 month, right? I'll just select 1 year because I'll save more money. I'm selecting 1 year, so I'll just click on 1 year. As you can see, it has changed already here. So I'll just click on continue. So if you are here, everything looks good. You can check ID protection if you want it to be, if you want your details to be hidden on hoist, you can select this, but it's not necessary. So I'll just untick it because if you select it, it will attract more cost. So I'll just leave it and click on continue. Okay, so everything checks out well. As you can see, review checkout. Basic plan, we selected it 24,999. Domain registration 24,999. So total we have 49,998. It's approximately 50,000. So this is, like I said, domain name and hosting is the unavoidable cost you have to incur while building a website. You must have to buy your domain name and hosting. You cannot avoid it, right? So if we are here, we just click on checkout. Okay, so if you click on checkout, as you can see, everything looks good, everything looks good, everything looks good, everything looks good. Just come down and click on complete order. It's as simple as that, simple as ABC. You don't need so much technical knowledge to actually do this, right? Okay, so now that we are here, all you have to do is just pay. The payment gateway used in Web Oracle is Monify, so you just click on pay with Monify here. Your invoice is here. You can choose to download or print it, but those are not necessary. So I'll just click on pay with Monify. As you can see, buying your domain name and hosting is very, very simple. So once you've gotten to this place, all you have to do is just to make payment to this account number, and automatically your domain name and hosting is purchased. So I'll just take a little time out to make this payment because I'm doing it end to end. I'll make this payment and I'll be right back. Let's continue. Okay, so as soon as you make payment, you will see payment successful, right? You see payment successful, and your page will be loading to redirect you to this place, right? Your page will load to redirect you to this place. So I think that is that for that. We've made our payment, we purchased our domain name and hosting. So all you have to do now is to log back into our Web Oracle host account, right? At this point, you should have received your cPanel details. For those of you that don't know what cPanel details is, cPanel details is the details that you'll be sent to, that you'll be using to log into your cPanel. It's from your cPanel you start installing WordPress and you start building. There are two ways to log into your cPanel. It's either you use the cPanel details sent to your mail, or you go through your Web Oracle host account, or whatever hosting you're using, you go through the hosting account, as I'm going to show you now. I think I'll just have to relog back into my Web Oracle host account. Just go back to Web Oracle host. Now just log in. Let me log back in. The payment is already successful, so no panic. Okay, we've logged back in. So we are here now. As you can see, we now have one service, one domain. Whatever host you are using, you find yourself in your dashboard. It will look like this, right? But like I said, I recommend Web Oracle host. If you want to follow exactly what I'm doing, hop onto Web Oracle host, purchase your domain and hosting, and everything will look like this, right? So if you are here, let's see our domain. As you can see, our domain is one. This is the domain we just registered here. Shapali Travels is active, right? Let's go back to home, and this is our service here. I think our service is the hosting basic plan is here, right? So like I said, the next thing you have to do is to log into your cPanel. Your cPanel. As you can see under this basic plan, you can see cPanel here. You can log in through here, right? I said before, we have two ways to log into your cPanel detail. You can log in through here, right? cPanel, log in to your cPanel through here, or you use the cPanel detail sent to your email. Forget about everything that is sent to your email. Just focus on the cPanel detail. You see username and password. So all you have to do is just grab your website name. In this case, this. You paste it here in a new tab, then you put /cPanel, right? Click on it. It will open up a portal for you where you use the username that was sent to you and your password to log in. So whichever way you are using, you are going to arrive at the same place. So it will be something like this. You just put in your username here and your password. But I'm not going to be logging in through here. I'm going to be logging in through my Web Oracle host dashboard, right? So let's just click on login into cPanel. If I click on login into cPanel, this is what shows, right? And this is what shows. This is what shows. So if you are seeing this, you are on the right path. So I'll just have to cancel this, and you see where I am, right? You see where I am. You see where I am. We have purchased our domain name and hosting. We are done purchasing our domain name and hosting. The next thing we have to do is to install WordPress.